Tattoo Pen Kit Wormhole Cartridge Tattoo Kit for Beginners Rotary Tattoo Machine Pen Professional Complete Tattoo Kit, TK108A Black. Wormhole Wormhole Tattoo Kit Tattoo Pen Kit Rotary Tattoo Machine Kit with Power Supply 20 Cartridge Needles 6 Tattoo Ink 40 Tattoo Ink Caps Complete Tattoo Kit for Beginners WTK07. Tattoo Pen Kit Wormhole Cartridge Tattoo Kit for Beginners Rotary Tattoo Machine Pen Professional Complete Tattoo Kit, TK108 Red. Wormhole Complete Tattoo Pen Kit Continuous Operation, Low Noise, Long-Lasting Stability, Lightweight. Compatible with all tattoo cartridge needles. The Tattoo Pen Kit includes one PC rotary tattoo pen with a RCA cord, one power supply with cable, 40 cartridges needles, 1 foot pen. Dragonhawk Rotary Tattoo Pen Machine Kit Mast Gun 50 PCS Mixed Sizes Cartridges Needles Power Supply Custom Motor All Beginners 102-50P, K2 Pen Kit. Dragonhawk Rotary Tattoo Pen KIT. This kit packaged for beginner tattoo artists and PMU artists. Disposable cartridges needles, 50 PCS Extreme Tattoo Needle Cartridges. The sizes, 1203 RL, 1205 RL, 1207 RL, 1203 RS, 1205 RS, reliable for all-purpose work. Solong Tattoo Pen Kit Rotary Tattoo Gun Machine with Wireless Tattoo Power Supply 50 PCS Cartridge Tattoo Needles EM128 Kitpred 50-1. Solong Rotary Tattoo Pen is CNC machined by aircraft aluminium alloy and then anodized finish. The motor is 10W made in Taiwan, low noise, strong and stable to work, no hot for long time working. Tattoo pen is designed to give you the closest feel to an actual pen that you can get with a tattoo machine. You can use this pen to do tattooing, permanent eyebrows makeup, lip line, eye line, all in one pen.